Tell me what you're doing, Anna.
I'm drawing and then I invent her name.
You're writing Grandma and Granddad's name.
Yes. You might like this name.
Why do I like it?
I like it because I'm drawing it. Hey. There.
There.
It's not done.
It's not finished yet though, is it?
No.
Are you enjoying that?
You're back. You're back. I need to draw it. Do you want to draw?
I don't need to do any drawing, thank you, Anna.
Okay. I'm doing very well.
Are you?
Yes, I am.
That's good, darling. What do you like about it?
There we go.
What do you like about what you're doing?
I like doing names.
You like doing names?
Yes. I'm learning to do all sorts. That's your cup. That's your cup. That is your cup.
That is your cup, Frank, isn't it? You're giving it to Anna. Oh.
No.
We don't want it in the bowl, thank you.
Not in that bowl, please. That's yours and mine.
Do you want to carry on?
It's good to draw this.
It is, isn't it?